Imagine I'm drawing one of these numbers. Which number is most likely to be drawn? And which number do you predict I'll draw? A new study shows that what people predict and what they believe is most likely to happen can actually be different. When people think even the most likely outcome is still pretty unlikely, they often don't predict it. For example, when the chance of drawing one was low, only about 63% predicted it. But when the chance was high, nearly everyone did. The researchers believe that when the outcome feels hard to predict, people stop using logical strategies and instead rely on things like lucky numbers, gut feeling, or random guesses. But can we make people make more logical predictions? Yes. It turns out the problem is that people focus not just on relative likelihood, or what is more likely, but also on absolute likelihood, or how likely it is overall. So if we get people to refocus on relative likelihood, the prediction becomes much more accurate. For example, when the researchers made the odds more obvious, showing many more ones compared to other numbers, the prediction gap disappeared. Another trick, they asked participants to imagine 1,000 draws before making a decision. Thinking about the big picture made the most likely outcome feel more predictable. And finally, advice. Previous research shows that people are less biased when they give advice. So if people give logical advice, will they then follow their own advice? Yes, those who first gave advice about what number another person should predict were better at predicting later, compared to those who predicted first and gave advice later. Which of these methods do you think would work best for you? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching!